Nice dress.
Thanks, I got it, VERSAYCE.
Oh yeah, VERSAYCE. I love VERSAYCE.
Me too.
Do you like my nails?
Well, I have short nails. Mine are cute too, but Loretta's are cuter.
Did you shape this at all?
What?
Did you shape this?
A little bit. You can shake it. It's better.
Yeah, it doesn't like match perfectly, but it's still legit.
Right. Yeah.
But
Totally.
we'll have sparkles in there. It still looks good.
That's funny, right?
You guys look so
Gorgeous.
different.
What?
You guys
Yeah.
look so different with the blonde.
Oh. Yeah. It's legit.
That's funny. It's like a real life before and after.
Yeah.
I love it. You're asking. That's funny. Like
Yeah,
it's like, what are they
but
gonna
you're
say?
blonde.
No, it's not funny.
Yeah.
Like, do you like my nails? No. Not getting it. We're Sparkle Fantasy.
I know.
Vegas Showgirls. I don't know why it's so difficult for me to keep my eyes closed.
Because you want to know what's going on.
Yeah. But now I can't hear or see.
That's
It's
why.
like, oh my God, my life.
Oh wow. I know.
Did you see that?
This is why we need.
Did you see the
Yeah.
sparkle?
Why? No. I want the sparkles everywhere.
Oh, okay.
This is why we need red, because if it was up to us, we'd just be covered in sparkles.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, it has to tone us down a little bit. Just a little.
Focus your camera.
Like just full body sparkle everywhere. Loretta keeps going like in, she's going in and out of frame.
I see her in the background just like,
Yeah, Loretta, you keep going like in and out of frame, so it's like
Oh,
you just
really?
here and then you here.
I'm trying to put on my belly ring.
Yeah, I got that. It's hard with your nails.
It's just hard with my nails, yeah.
Kind of funny. I'm so excited to put on those dresses, those VERSAYCE dresses.
feel like I have to keep my eyes closed right now, but I don't. I don't know why. Like, yeah. Chill. Good. I wish it could be like as easy as it is to take it off as it is would have to put it on.
You could do.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Like, wouldn't that be
Definitely.
awesome? Every single time when I have to take off our makeup, we like
Red, I
get
think
sad.
we do that red look that we did.
Like, I
remember
can't believe I
when
have to take
red
this off.
appeared and went into our
It's
hair?
like work of art.
That was really
Yeah.
cool, right?
Yeah.
It's a little dramatic, but you know what I mean.